Hey everyone, it's Mr. Will with Loog Nation, where future guitars start, and we are working on Hit Me With Your Best Shot by Pat Benatar. It's such a good rock song. It's like, yeah, tough stuff. We have today chords, the order of those chords, the progression of the song, the difference between the verse and the chorus, and then we have a couple of different strumming techniques that I'm going to show you. And stick around, there's a little bit of a trick in the verse that I need to show you, so don't miss that. Hey, if you haven't already, make sure you do all the good things. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button if you aren't a subscriber, and share the video with somebody who maybe just got a Loog or thinking about getting a Loog. This song proves that you can play rock songs on your Loog guitar, especially on this Fender Loog blended guitar. Fender and Loog got together to make this cool little mini Stratocaster. I have a full review on this and I want to share some more information with you about it, but hit the link in the description. It'll give you a much better overview of what this instrument is like. I love it. It sounds fun. It's really fun to play. Okay, the chords that we're going to play today. Just so you know, this is not the key that the song is in. The actual key is E, but the shape of the chords that we're playing today is much easier for Loog players. So we're dropping it down a whole step to D. So we're going to play a D. Then we're going to play a G. Then we're going to play an A. And a B minor. Okay. That's the chorus, as you just saw. We're playing D, G, B minor, and A. Right. I would suggest right now that you pause this video and work on those chords and the chord changes. D, G, B minor, A. Yeah. All those chords can be found in your Loog flashcards, by the way, so you can have a cool visual flashcard session to go along with this song. All right, now that you've learned those chords, let's go through the order of those chords for the chorus first. It's the most fun part of the song. And then we're going to go into the more challenging part, which is the verse. Okay, here we go. The chorus, we're going to start with our D. We're just strumming that once and stopping the sound. That's what makes it so fun. And I'm stopping the sound with the palm of my hand. And then I'm going to play two Gs. You could do down strums or down up. I like this as a rock song, so I'm going to play down strums. Stopping again with your palm. Then we're going to go to the B minor. Notice again, it's two strums and stopping. And then we're going to change to the A, which rings out. So the trick with this is not the count. Obviously, we just have 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. It's when we actually stop the sound and when we let it ring out, right? Here we go. Now here's where things get a little fast. I'm gonna go B minor to an A, to a G, back to an A, and let it ring out. Woo! So I'm stopping every time I strum twice, but I'm strumming twice really fast. I'm actually not stopping, am I? I'm moving so quickly I don't have time to stop. So I have, this is the beginning. Then the second part, D, G, G, here we go. Notice that I'm really trying to make sure that I use the same fingers every time so I don't get confused. This B minor is this cool little staircase chord. And then I'm going to the A. Most of the time I would play the A with these two fingers, but I'm going to play with my first and second finger on this song so then I can change to the G really quickly with my third finger. This is also a great time to pause and work on the fast changes. I'll let you do so, and I'll meet you on the other side of you learning those fast changes. That fast change. Okay, so that's the chorus. And now that you've got those fast changes down, we can start to work on the verse. Yeah. Now, this song has an interesting sound change, and the best way I could mimic that on the Loog versus a 6-string guitar is to change from a D major, check this out, to a D major 7, because that's what we hear in the song. That's the whole verse. Well, you're a real tough cookie with a long history of breaking little hearts like the one in me. Cool. So this is a great way to learn it, just strums. It's a little syncopated, meaning that the rhythm isn't even. Da, 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 da. Do you feel that? Yeah. Do that again. 4. Fun. And that's that build into the chorus, just strumming rock eighth notes on the A. Okay, so we have our verse, we have the chords, the order of the chords, the progression, and the strumming is pretty much just strums. It sounds really good that way to let it ring out. Hey, let's put it all together. Ready? We're gonna do a play along, and we're gonna start with the chorus. That's cool. And then we're gonna go through the first verse into the chorus, and that'll be the end of our play along, but you can look up the song to play even further and know the whole song of all the lyrics and all the verses and choruses. Ready? Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's get down to it. Let's put up your dukes. Let's just right to it now. Hit me with your best shot. Why don't you hit me with your best shot? Hit me with your best shot. Fire away. Yeah. Right? All right. How'd that go? I mean, you can see that I kind of messed up just a little bit there, but you know what? That's the whole point of learning a song. You can give yourself a little forgiveness and learn how to correct it on the second time around. All right. Hey, this was super fun to work on this Pat Benatar song today. I hope you had a great time. Make sure to like this video and hit the subscribe button if you haven't. There's lots of videos here at Loog Nation for you to learn, and I'm so happy to be able to show you all at this Loog Nation community that we can play real rock songs on our Loog guitar. So I hope you had fun. More 80s songs are on the way. You can check out the playlist, and really just check out all the songs we've got here at the Loog Nation YouTube channel. I'll see you next time. All right. Shot. Why don't you hit me with your best shot? Hit me with your best best shot, find a way. Yeah. All right.